Let's start by stating the three subatomic particles. The first one is electron. The second one is proton. And the last one is neutron. The two major subdivisions of the atom are, the first one is the energy level, and the second one is the nucleus. So the subdivisions are drawn in form of inner and outer circle representing the spherical atom. The inner circle is known as the nucleus, and outside of the nucleus it is where the energy levels accumulate. The energy levels which have the letters E beginning on the word energy and LE beginning on the word level. Therefore, these beginning letters, when combined, form ELE. The beginning of one of the subatomic particles, which is electron, will take this subdivision. Thereafter, the remaining two subatomic particles will be distributed in the nucleus. Thus, the neutrons and the protons. Thank you for watching.